Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, the new Skoda Karoq. The creation of a car, no matter if it's completely new or facelifted, is always the result of successful teamwork of many people across the entire company. And normally it is the board who presents a new car. This time, we invited some of our colleagues from the design and marketing team to present their creations themselves. And that is why we call this presentation The Faces of Karoq. Our international team, all experts in their field, will now give you an insight into the latest innovations by showing you all the key features. And here's our first face of the new Karoq, exterior designer Franck Lagalle.
Thank you, Christian, for the introduction. You know, light design is a very significant part in the overall design concept. And concerning this, there is one important thing you won't see until we dim the studio lights. We have a very dynamic and distinctive light signature. The day-running lights are now split in two parts, which give a very strong and recognizable look to the car. We also implemented our typical four eyes design. For the first time, we have matrix LED technology in the top version of the Karoq. And now, let's jump to the back. As you can see, we designed a slimmer tail lights thanks to the full LED technology. We also added two new features, the welcome effect and the dynamic indicator. There is of course more than just the lights. We also redesigned the grille. It is now hexagonal and we made it more upright and wider to give a lot of strength to the car. We also reshaped the very typical and robust vertical ribs. On the bottom area of the bumper, there is a very wide and dynamic air intake. On the corner of the bumper, you can see we work out the 3D effect of the air intake to improve the aerodynamics of the car. At the back of the car, we shape a very modern and solid-looking bumper. We also made a very sporty and dynamic diffuser and also work on longer and dynamic spoiler, which also helps to optimize the aerodynamics. We are really proud that we went into every detail to keep the design sleek and clever, but also to create improvements helping to reduce the car's drag. Thanks to this, the Karoq is one of the most aerodynamic cars in its segment. To think about every little detail, it's also true for the Karoq interior. And now, I would like to introduce my colleague, Véronique Favia, to tell you more.
Thanks, Frankie. Yes, to think every detail new, it's also true for the whole design interior. I'm proud to be in the Karoq team, for which my colleague and me designed its 3 fresh and unique interior, included our new style eco package. At Skoda, we understand the importance of sustainability, and we believe that it should be part of your experience. We selected material with good impact on the environment, but as well by the quality of material touch. Therefore, we have introduced a nice vegan seat cover combination with a mocha brown suedia, artificial leather, and 100% recycled polyester with plastic bottle. For the first time, we will offer the Karoq exclusively with the digital instrument panel available in 2 versions. So as you can see, when designing the new Karoq, we had not only your comfort and modern trends in mind, but also the environment and sustainability. And now, back to Christian.
Thank you very much, Veronique and Franck, for introducing us to the design updates of the new Karoq.